which of the following means P is a maternal on-off cue? P is a maternal on-off cue. On-off cue. So let us check here. Which of the following means P is a maternal on-off cue? P is a maternal on-off cue means already we know P should be the maternal on-off cue. P should be the maternal on-off cue means gender of P should be female. On-off cue means we no need to bother about gender of cue here. Let us start with that. Option number 1 here. Option number 1 is very clear. What is that option number 1 here? P equal to Q star R. Next one, option number B. P equal to R plus Q. Next one, option number C. So option number C is also clear. Q equal to R plus P. Alright. Q equal to R plus P. Next one, this one is the last option. P star R minus Q. P star R minus Q. These all are the 4 equations we got it here. In these 4 equations, which one satisfies our condition? That is what we have to find out here. First one started here. P equal to Q star R. P equal to Q star R means already we know A equal to B means A is the daughter of B. A equal to B means A is the daughter of B. Like that only P equal to Q means P is the daughter of Q. P is the daughter of Q means P is in the next generation, Q is in previous generation. P's gender should be female. Q's gender we don't have any clarity, let it be. Next one, Q star R. Q star R means already we know A into B means A is the sister of B. Alright. A into B means A is the sister of B. Like that only Q into R means Q and R both are in the same generation. Q is the sister of R. Q is the sister of R means Q and R in the same generation, and we know what about the gender of Q, that is female, and we don't know what about the gender of R. Let it be. This is what family tree for that first option here. Let us check really, is it satisfying our condition? No, first option is not satisfying our condition. First option is not satisfying our condition means first option is ruled out from the game. Alright. First option is ruled out from the game means let us start with that next option. What is that next option? Next option is very clear. P equals to R plus Q. P equals to R plus Q means already we know A equal to B means A is the daughter of B. A equals to B means A is the daughter of B. A is the daughter of B means like that only P equals to R means P is the daughter of R. P is the daughter of R means P is in that next generation or is in the previous generation. Anyhow, P's gender is female. we don't know what about the gender of or, let it be. Next one, A plus B means A is the brother of B. A plus B means A is the brother of B. Like that only R plus Q means R is the R plus Q means R is the brother of Q. R is the brother of Q means is it really satisfying our condition? And even second equation is also not satisfying our condition. That is the reason second one is also ruled out from the game. Alright. Second one is also ruled out from the game. Let us start with the third option. What is the third option here? Third option is very clear. Q equals to R plus P. Already we know A equals to B means A is the daughter of B. Alright. A is the daughter of B means like that only. Q equals to R. Q is the daughter of Q is the daughter of R. Q is the daughter of R means Q is in that next generation, R is in that previous generation. Alright. Next one, A plus B means A is the brother of B. A is the brother of B means like that only R plus P here. Like that only R plus P here means R is the brother of P. R is the brother of P means R and P are in the same generation. R and P are in that same generation means we don't know what about the gender of P, but we know clearly what about the gender of R here. That is male. Alright. Is it really satisfying our condition? Even this family tree is also not satisfying our condition. That is the reason third option is ruled out from the game. Alright. Third option is ruled out from the game. Let us check with that next one. What is the remaining one? Remaining one is the last one. Last one should be the right option. No doubt about it. Let us check with that last one. Last one is very clear. P into R minus Q. P into R minus Q means let us check with that, like you know, that option already we know. A star B means A is the sister of B. Alright. A is the sister of B. A is the sister of B means like that only. P is the sister of R. P is the sister of R means P and R both are in that same gender. P is the sister of R means P and R both are in that same generation. P and R both are in that same generation and P is the female. Or gender we don't have any clarity as of now. Let it be. Let us go for that next one, R minus Q. What do you mean by R minus Q here? Let us put attention here. What do you mean by R minus Q? Already we know A minus B means A is the mother of, like you know, B. A is the mother of B means here also R is the mother of Q. R is the mother of Q means R and Q are in the different generations. Alright. R and Q are in the different generations. R is the female. Q's gender we don't have any clarity. Now let us take really. Is it satisfying our condition? Yes, why not? Please check it. How is P related to Q here? How is P related to Q here? P is related to Q as, alright. How is P related to Q? P related to Q as, how is P related to Q? P related to Q as maternal aunt only. Maternal aunt. Already we know maternal aunt means the relation whatever we get through mother, that relation is obviously maternal relations here. R is the mother of Q, P is the sister of R. R is the mother of, like you know, Q, P is the sister of R means P and R are the sisters. P and R are the sisters means definitely P should be the maternal aunt of Q only. Last option is really satisfied our condition. That is the reason last option is the right option. No doubt about it. Last option is the right option. All right. Just look about on that question. Let us go for that next one. Let us go for the next one. So when I talk about next one, which of the following means P and Q are sisters? Which of the following is P and Q are sisters? All right. Let me check once again. Which of the following is P and Q are sisters means P is the sister of Q and Q is also sister of P. P and Q are sisters, so that means P and Q are females only, and moreover P and Q are in same generation. Alright, let us start with that option number 1. Option number 1 is very clear. Q star or minus P. Alright. Next one, R minus P star Q. Next one, Q equals to R minus P. Alright, next one, fourth one, that is last option, P star Q equals to R. P star Q equals to R. Let us put a concentration on the data here. Q star R minus P, already we know. So our condition is very clear. P and Q are sisters. P and Q are sisters means we are looking about P is the sister of Q and Q is also sister of P. P and Q both are sisters. Let us start with that option number 1. What is that option number 1? Q star R minus P. Alright. Q star R minus P means we know A into B means A is the sister of B. A is the sister of B means Q into R means Q is the sister of R. Q is the sister of R means Q and R both are in that same generation, and moreover we know here Q's gender is female. R's gender we don't know. Q and R in the same generation. Q is the sister of R. Q is the sister of R means definitely the gender of Q is female, and we don't know what about the gender of R. Let it be. Next one, A minus B. A minus B means A is the mother of B. A minus B means A is the mother of B means now we have to look about on that R minus P. A minus B means A is the mother of B. Alright. A is the mother of B. A is the mother of B means A is in the previous generation, B is in that next generation. A and B both are in the different generations, and moreover A's gender is female. Like that only R minus P means R is the mother of P. R is the mother of P means really is it satisfying our condition? No. Why? Because P and Q are sisters. Basically P and Q are sisters means the two people should be in that same generation. but here P is in that next generation and Q is in the previous generation. That is the reason option 1 is not at all satisfying our condition, so that option 1 is ruled out from the game. Alright. Option 1 is ruled out from the game means let us start with that second option. What is that second option? R minus P into Q. R minus P star Q. Let us check really, is it satisfying or not? We know A minus B. A minus B means A is the mother of B. A minus B means A is the mother of B means R minus P also R should be the mother of P. R should be the mother of P means R should be in that previous generation, P should be in that next generation. R and P both are in the different generations. That is what only meaning over there. Alright, let us start with that next one. A star B means A is the sister of B. A is the sister of B means we are putting attention on that P star Q here. We are putting attention on that P star Q means let us check here. P star Q means P is the sister of Q. P is the sister of Q means we don't know what about the gender of Q. We don't know what about the gender of Q means really second option is also unable to satisfy the condition whatever we got it. Let us go for the next one. Which of the following means P is a grandmother of R? Which of the following means or is a father of two children? So which of the following means or is a father of two children? Or is a father of two children means or gender we have decided here as male. Two children means these two children should be in the next generation. That is what only meaning here. Start with that option number 1, that is R star Q star P. R star Q star P. Next to one R cross Q star P. Next to one R star Q minus P. Next to one R plus P divided by Q. Let us put attention on that option number 1. When I talk about option number 1 here, let us put attention on that question again. Which of the following means or is a father of two children? Or is a father of two children means we are talking about these two children. These two children are in that next generation. These two children are in that next generation. Even we don't have clarity regarding to the gender of the two children. Let it be. Or is the father. Or is the father means definitely or should be in the previous generation. Or is the father means definitely or's gender is male only. Let us put attention on that first option. R star Q star P. Alright. R star Q star P means let us check here. A star B means A is the sister of B. A is the sister of B. Let us check here. A is the sister of B means in that same manner R star Q means R is the sister of Q. Alright. R is the sister of Q means R and Q are in the same generation. R and Q are in that same generation means we do get clarity here. The gender of R is The gender of R is female. The gender of Q is we don't know. Next one, Q star P means Q is the sister of P. Q is the sister of P means like that same. A star B means A is the sister of B. R star Q means R is the sister of Q. Q star P means Q is the sister of P. Anyhow, this option, that means this family is not satisfying that condition. This family tree is not satisfying that condition means option 1 is ruled out from the game, guys. Alright. Option 1 is ruled out from the game means let us start with that next option. Now we are ready to verify with that next option. Let me focus here. R cross Q star P. R cross Q star P means already we know. A into B means what is that relation? Q star P. A into B means A is the father of B. A into B means A is the father of B. R into Q means R is the A into B means A is the father of B. Like that only R into Q means A into B means A is the father of B. R into Q means R is the father of Q. R is the father of Q means R and Q, these two people are in that different generations. R is in the previous generation, Q is in the next generation. The gender of R is male, the gender of Q is as of now we don't know, let it be. Next one, A star B. A star B means A is the sister of B. A is the sister of B means like that only we have to write Q star P also. Q star P also we have to represent in that family. That means in that family tree. A into B means A is the sister of B. Like that Q into P means Q is the definitely sister of P. No doubt about it. Q is the sister of P means Q and P both are in that same generation. Q and P both are in that same generation means we know Q's gender is female. We don't know what about the gender of P, let it be. Even second option is also satisfying our condition? No. Second option is also not satisfying our condition or satisfying. Let us put a attention my dear guys here. Absolutely second option is satisfying our condition. Let me check here. R is the father of Q and P. Alright. R is the father of Q and P means that is absolutely correct. R is not only father of Q, R is also father of P. Q is the sister of P means we don't know what about the gender of P, let it be. R is the father of Q and P. Alright. R is the father of Q and P means R is in the previous generation, Q and P are in the next generation. Anyhow, Q and P are the children of R. That is what only the condition, whatever we got it in that question. Absolutely we have satisfied that condition with that option number 2. Option number 2 is absolutely right option. With that family tree only we have decided that condition as right condition. Alright, let us put attention. So let us go for the next one. Next one is very clear. Which of the following means P is a sister of Q? So start it here. Which of the following is P is a sister of Q? Let me check here. P is a sister of Q means P's gender is female here. Q's gender we are not sure about it, even though let it be. P is a sister of Q means P and Q both are in that. P and Q both are in that same generation or a different generation, no doubt about it. P and Q both are in that same generation. Alright, let us start with the first option, P plus Q. That means P plus or minus Q. Next one, Q minus or star P. Next one, C, that is option number C. P divided by Q plus or. Next one, option number D. Q plus P that equals to or. Let us focus on that options again here. When we talk about option number 1 here, P plus or minus Q, what do you mean by this option here? P plus or minus Q, what do you mean by this option here? Which of the following means P is a sister of Q? Which of the following means P is a sister of Q? That is what our question here. P is a sister of Q means P is the sister of Q. P and Q are in that same generation. We don't know what about the gender of Q, let it be. P plus or, already we know A plus B. A plus B means A is the brother of B. A plus B means A is the brother of B. Alright, A is the brother of B means like that only P is also brother of R. That is what only meaning here. As of now, we don't know what about the gender of R. We know what about the gender of P, that is male. We don't know what about the gender of R, let it be. P and R both are in that same generation. Alright, next one, R minus Q. A minus B means already we know A is the mother of B. A minus B means A is the mother of B. Like that only R minus Q. R minus Q means what is the relation here? A minus B means A is the mother of B. Like that R minus Q means R is the mother of Q. R is the mother of Q means Q is in that previous generation or is in that next generation. P is a sister of Q or not? No, P is not a sister of Q here. With respect to this family tree, P is a brother of R is a sister of P. P is the brother of R is a sister of P. P and R are brothers and sisters. Alright, let us go for the next one. Option number 1 is not satisfied the condition. Option number 1 is not satisfied the condition means definitely option number 1 should be ruled out from that given options list. Let us focus on the next one. Now I am ready to focus on the next one, that is Q minus or star P. Q minus or star P means already we know A minus B means A is the mother of B. Alright, A is the mother of B means like that only Q is also. A minus B means A is the mother of B. Q minus R means Q is the mother of. Q is the mother of. Alright, Q is the mother of R. Q is the mother of R means Q and R in the different generations. Q and R in the different generations means Q is in the previous generation, R is in that next generation. Q and R both are in the different generations. Q's gender we know that is female. Alright, next one, R star P. Already we know A star B. A star B means A is the sister of B. Alright, A star B means A is the sister of B. Like that only R star P means. Like that only R star P means R is the sister of P. R is the sister of P means, is it really satisfying our condition? No. Even second option is also ruled out from the game. Alright, second option is also ruled out from the game. Let us go for the next one. What is the next option here? Next option is very clear, that is P divided by Q plus R. P divided by Q plus R means already we know A divided by B means A is the son of B. A is the son of B means here also P is the son of Q. Alright, let us go for the next one. A plus B means A is the brother of B. In the same manner Q plus R means Q is also brother of R. Q is also brother of R means Q and R both are in that same generation. But we know the gender of Q as male. We don't know what about the gender of R here. Let it be. Now let us make a point out here. Even option number 3 is also not satisfying our condition. Let us check once again. Option number 3 is also not satisfying here. Alright. P is the son of Q. Q is the father of P. Q is the father of P, and again Q is the brother of R, or like you know gender we don't know. Let it be. Let us go for the next one. Option number 3 is also not satisfied our condition. Option number 3 is also not satisfied our condition, my dear guys. Let us go for the next one. Next one should be satisfied, no doubt about it. Next one should be satisfied, no doubt about it. Let us check with that next one. Yes, Q plus P equals to R. Q plus P equals to R. Already we know A plus B means A is the brother of B. A plus B means A is the brother of B. In the same manner, Q plus P also, Q is the brother of light, P. Alright. Q is the brother of P means Q and P both are in that same generation. Q is the brother of P means Q and P both are in that same generation. Alright. Q plus P means Q is the brother of P. P equals to R. Already we know A equals to B. A equals to B means A is the daughter of B. A is the daughter of B means like you know A is in the next generation, B should be in the previous generation. Like that only P equals to R means P equals to R means P is the daughter of R. Alright. P is the daughter of R means, now let us focus here. Q and P are the children of R. Alright. Q is the brother of P. P is the sister of Q. Q and P both are in that same generation. P is the sister of Q and Q is the brother of P. P is a sister of Q. P is a sister of Q means really satisfied the condition. Yes, absolutely satisfied the condition. P is a sister of Q. Alright. P is a sister of Q means Q is a brother of P. P and Q are brothers and sisters. Now, last option is satisfied our condition. Let us put attention. Alright.